Joseph meets his father. We see the most touching scene in the Hebrew scriptures or the Old Testament, describing how Joseph greeted his father. It reads, he flung himself on his neck and wept a long time in his arms. And this touching scene stands in stark contrast to the way many modern fathers and sons greet each other. For example, not long ago, a father wrote to the writer N. Landers about his dead son. The greatest regret of my life is that I kept my son at arm's length. I believed it was unmanly for males to show affection for one another. I treated my son the way my father treated me. And I realize now what a terrible mistake it was. How do we show our affection toward our parents? How parents show affection towards their children? The father of the prodigal son ran to his son, embraced him, and kissed him. So God is not only our beloved father and mother, He loves each one of us and embraces us with His beloved love.